you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
How's it going, man? Oh, pretty good, you?
I won't stop, I won't fall up. Like a snitch, I'm about to roll up. To the nearest block, I'ma show ya. We ain't scared of Corona. We ain't scared of Ebola. The government can't hold us. Won't stop until we go up. Go up, hold up.
What kind of subs you running in here?
30, 12 bars.
We know the Def Bonce though.
Yeah. I got 3 of the 8Ks on the back.
Okay, the Def Bonce AK?
Yeah, they do. We'll do the same song a little higher.
Okay.
Times when you got a whole fake, cause the devil trying to kill you and it's not okay. His promise.
Yes, sir, man. I sure appreciate it, man. Are you on social media? You know where they can follow you? You on Facebook or TikTok?
I'm on TikTok.
Okay, let them know where they can follow you.
Tommy at Team 808, and on Instagram too, Tommy at Team 808.
Okay, I'll be sure to give you a follow.
All right, man.
Say, appreciate it, bro. Get you with the dope. Do I get one? No. You got some more there?
Right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.